Vlogga. 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 I got the new lens on my GoPro. I'm pretty happy it works. I took it all apart. There's like a million screws, a million wires. I thought I broke it. And I ordered the lens. I got in there and I replaced it and it works perfect. So here's the GoPro. Pretty clean, huh? Am I crispy? Am I in focus? Good. Dude, these chicken nuggets and french fries are smoking hot, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta have to try one. Woo! Hot. Mm-hmm. We're feeling hot, hot, hot. I like them a little well done, you know. When they're soft and gooey, no. I like to overcook them just a little bit, but. And then the trick is just to pour them on all, just pour everything on one plate. And that saves you dishes right there. So these boys can just, because these are finger foods, you know, it's not a big fancy dinner tonight. Just a quick meal so my boys are fed. So they can just share the plate and saves their dad on doing dishes, because I hate dishes. Hate it. I'll do everything else. Laundry, vacuum, yard work, rebuild the car, put new tires on the car, pull the transmission out of the car. I'll paint. I'll do some carpentry. I'll re-roof the house. I'll put a new lens on the GoPro. I'll raise my computer chair up 5 inches. I'll mop. I'll scrub the bathtub, toilets. But when it comes to dishes, boys! A couple weeks ago, I'd say about a week and a half ago, I'm running late to work. I work really early. I work downtown LA, so I live in Orange County. Sometimes I work further than downtown LA. I work Beverly Hills, Culver City, Santa Monica, and my start time is usually 6 a.m. So I gotta get to bed at like 3 in the afternoon. No, not that early, but sometimes I feel like I need to get that rest, you know. I'm falling asleep on the freeway. Not good. So last week I'm flying to work through Beverly Hills, and I'm just a average guy, you know, and I'm flying through one of the richest cities in the world, and a red light ticket popped me. The flash, poof. And I wasn't even that late. They trick those things. They have it red and then yellow. It doesn't even give you any time. I'm like, no, I did it backwards. Yellow, come on, you can make it. You can make it. Red, okay, you made it. No, this one, yellow, red, poof. Oh, great. Okay, well, that's going to be a ticket. Yeah, it's $490 right there. $490. Now, is that fair to a single dad that's trying to make it and on his way to work? I just wasted like a couple days of work right there. I went to work just to give it to Beverly Hills. Now look, it's at least I get this cool picture out of it. There's me, half asleep, trying to get to work. They got the license plate, they got everything. Now I guess I can contest it, or I go to traffic school. So I'm not really sure what to do. This one hurt. This one hurt a lot. This might take my kids' Christmas. That's how lame it is. I understand running red lights is lame, but $490. I didn't hit anybody. I barely ran it, so it sucks. It sucks. Okay, it sucks. I'm going to ride my bike after they leave. So yeah, I got my bike. I'm gonna let me go check the mail real quick. And then there's this cool kind of lake. Well, it's not a lake. It's a basin. It's a reservoir, a water reservoir, and it's right up the street. So I'm only gonna do maybe a 4-mile ride, and then off to work tomorrow. I don't want to kill myself and not be able to work hard tomorrow. No mail. Let me update you guys on the new freebies. I came across this bookshelf a couple days ago. I didn't have my camera. I would have vlogged it, but dude, check this out. So this bookshelf was free, 50 free, solid. I think it's from the 50s or 60s. Yeah, no, 70s. This is 70s. But I had to modify it because it was a little longer, so I had to take a saw and cut it down to get it back in this corner, but it fits perfect. Now, all I need is some decor, maybe some more picture frames. I also got this Grand Canyon book, which was free. It was with the bookshelf. It was just lying there, so I just grabbed that. Oh, you guys know about the chair, of course. That was like a whole episode. Hey, did we get anything else for free? Oh, we got this little old air conditioner, kind of, for the boys in here. What do you think?
Great.
Does it work pretty good?
Yeah.
You know, it's probably full of asbestos and everything, and my kids are just breathing it all day. But hey, at least they're cool. Woo! I'm not getting paid from Gatorade. I just want you to know that. But this is pretty sponsor-ish, I should say. I like to water my Gatorade down a little bit too. You know, Powerade doesn't even compare to Gatorade. It's not even the thing. That doesn't even taste anything like Gatorade. Gatorade quenches your thirst, especially for this 2.5 mile bike ride I'm gonna do. I'm gonna need it. I failed to mention too, when I found that bookshelf, I happened to come across, dude, I got this camera bag for free. It kind of looks like a man purse when I wear it, but it holds my camera. It's really old school, but it fits perfect. But I gotta wear it like a man purse. So, I'm not gonna lie to you, vlogging while riding a bike is weird. I mean, you got people looking at you like, what the hell is this guy doing? And it's just another perspective, I guess. I don't know. But, yeah, you're getting people looking at you like, dude, this guy is a weirdo. So, all those big names on YouTube, they, get looked at a lot. You know, they're out in the public with selfie sticks. Oh, they got the cops going on. What's going on over here? Uh-huh. Another day in the hood. Whew. 2 miles later, I'm wiped out. I don't even know if I can make it back home. Yeah, so this park is a catch basin for all the runoff. Ties into the Santa Ana riverbed. This park used to be called Twin Lakes. Then the city put a bunch of money into it, which is good because my taxes are through the roof. So it looks good. Oh, I need to get a bell here too. People like to take up the whole path and then you can't even get by them. Oh, a lot of soccer practice here. This kid kicked the soccer ball into my bike. I almost ate shit. So they got like picnic tables, barbecue pits, overlooks the little man-made lake. I'm on kind of a dirt trail on my road bike right now. Living the crazy life. But everybody's just chilling, you know, being positive, working out, getting in shape. It's good. Oh my god, dude. Okay, so I get the footage home and I ran into this kid that went to the same high school I went to, and he had this gas-powered Schwinn beach cruiser he built from scratch. This thing was bad, dude. It was a 1947 Schwinn, and it was all vintage looking, and it went 40 miles an hour, and it got 100 miles to the gallon. And my dumb, stupid, idiotic mic plug-in to my GoPro is just cheap. It's a $2 thing, which I should invest more money. It's my own fault. But I didn't get any of the audio, and the conversation was phenomenal. He was such a cool kid, and I wish I was on that motorized bike instead of my bike. Let me see if I can get him pulling up here. But there's no audio. It's gone. There he is. Hey man, what's up? Hey William, where you from? Oh, I'll go to Garden Grove High. Oh dude, me too, bro. What kind of bike is that? Oh, it's a 1947 Schwinn I built from scratch. Springer front end, fully modified, motorized, bad to the bone. Nope,